Alright, and here's my case. Yeah, when it's all put together and I open it up, everything's right where I need it. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you my tuning case, my essential tools, everything that you need if you wanted to restring pianos or string pianos or do that. And it looks like a storm is coming, but let's go inside and check out my tuning cases. And this is the first case, and I'm going to go through each one of the tools in the case. But this is my case that I actually have, and it's the stringing case. So I made this custom made thing to hold all my tools, and I'm going to show you each one of them. First of all, I have spools of string. So this is the number 2, 0.49, and I have them all different sizes there. And then I'll get into my tools, the important ones. Most of these I use. Essential tool, string coil maker. Essential coil maker. I'll pull out the very essentials. It's pretty essential. T-handled tuning pin mover. This is a coil setter. Not as essential, but you can tap the coil down. Essential tuning punch. So this is a punch, so you can punch down the tuning pins. I like this as a string hook. So this is a very nice thing to make your coils. Very good string hook. Essential to use with your coil wrap is a coil maker. This is how you wind the coils on. You gotta have one of these. This is pretty essential if you're doing bass strings. So this is a little thing that you push down the hitch pin with. Once you twist the bass string and push this down, it's got a little spring on here. Very essential. I'll go through some of these. So essential, nice pair of wire cutters. These are some vintage ones, but not just regular wire cutters, but end nip kind of professional wire cutters. This is actually just another brass punch that you can. Essential is a pair of needle nose pliers. I have two here. One is a round nose, which is not super essential that they be round nose, but I have those. And the other one is a pair of really nice needle nose, and these actually have part of the needle nose cut off. Okay, so part of that is cut off. I don't know if I can get there. It goes. See, it's cut off. So just a nice pair of needle nose, and then a couple of these little vice grippy things, lifesavers, and you can see me use these in my videos. These are also actually awesome. Same kind of thing. Okay. A couple little clamps. These make everything so easy. Okay, this is so easy. Big ones and a little one. Essential, very essential. This is my string lifter. This is the thing that I use in my video that I show me restringing. Very key. It has a spacer on this side and a string lifter on this side. This is not super essential, but this is a pounder, so you can pound in pins and they won't move. So I use that sometimes. I really prefer just the regular punch, just a regular punch like this. I really need a couple tuning pins in case I'm going to do a dummy coil. And this was very essential the other day in my job because this is a little handmade, you can tie a knot in a string if you have a single string. You can do that, and then that's just basically it. That is my tuning case. Okay, tuning stringing case. Now, this is Todd's tuning string case, which is actually a real old school. I think it's Genel. Is that Genelec? Okay, cases by what is that? Genelec or Genk. Okay, so this comes off. Inside here, you can actually store strings. Okay, big round bass strings. So if you have like bass strings, you can put them in there. This is very nice because it has ow, I'm gonna cut myself. It has strings. You can put strings in there. Okay, and then it has a little place you can open up and check this out. So these are Todd's tools. You'll see he has less tools. He does a lot less string, but he has still a T-handle. He has a coil maker, very important. He has a string lifter, so take Todd's essentials. He has a wire cutters, very essential. Really have a little micrometer. Okay, this is a real cheap one. He has a string hook, and he has a very simple, and he has a couple tuning pins. Okay, that's his case. Now, before the video started, I took out some of his other stuff. He had some other stuff in here, string and some felt, and he had some random felt in there, and I'm going to be returning his case to him this week. But this is it. This is his case, what he has for his case, and then this is my case, which I made all my custom cases from Bosch cases, and it says string, and they stack up. So I have a whole stack of these, and that's exactly what it is. I made my case just like that, so you can put it in there. So if you want to learn more, you can check the link in the description. I did a whole restringing, so check it out of a section of a Steinway this week, and it'll be in there. Oh yeah, look, I really did cut myself. I gotta go get some alcohol. Yeah, when it's all put together and I opened up, everything's right where I need it, right where I know it is. And here's, of course, Todd's case. A little less organized on this side, but you know, everything's in there. But this is, I like my cases. I can show you more of those, and I can also see over at apexpiano.com if you want to learn how to actually do this. Check out the links in the description. All right, bless you guys.